In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your version number in Dynamics 365. Understanding which version of Dynamics 365 you are using is crucial for several reasons, from troubleshooting issues to ensuring compatibility with certain features or third-party applications. So, let's walk through this process step by step to help you locate the version number without any hassle. First, you'll need to open the app where you'll be making this check. This could either be Sales Hub or any other instance of your Dynamics 365 application. Once you've launched the application, you'll be greeted by the familiar interface. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. In this area, you'll notice a gear icon. This is the settings menu, and its icon might also be familiar from other applications you use. Clicking on this gear icon will open up a variety of settings and options. This feature allows you to customize and control your application experience. But for today, we're focusing specifically on finding the version. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. Search through these options and look for one that either says About or About Microsoft Dynamics 365. Selecting this option is essential for uncovering the version details. This About section acts as a window into the core information about your application, containing vital details about your current setup and version information. Once you've clicked on this option, a small pop-up window will appear on your screen. Keep in mind this might take a moment depending on your system's speed. This is where you'll find the version number prominently displayed. You might see something along the lines of version 9.2.256100094. It's important to keep that version number noted somewhere safe or accessible, particularly if you're troubleshooting or speaking to support services. They might ask for this information. It's the unique identifier of your current software state. And there you have it, a simple and quick way to find out which version of Dynamics 365 you are running. With just a few clicks, you can confirm your system's specifications. Knowing this information can significantly ease many processes, whether you're dealing with compatibility questions, working in configuration, or talking to technical support. So, the next time you need to check your Dynamics 365 version number, you will breeze through it effortlessly. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other instructional videos for more tips and guides on Dynamics 365. Have a great day.